Hello there, this is Mr. P. On today's lesson, we're going to learn how to write a good topic sentence. So let's get started. What is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is a statement that tells what your paragraph will be about. So it states the main idea of your paragraph. That's right. A good topic sentence does two important things. First, it helps you stay focused on the main idea of your paragraph. And number two, it helps readers to know what your paragraph will be about. A topic sentence should state the main idea, include or summarize reasons that support the main idea, and make a claim about the main idea of the paragraph. Example sentence. Let's read a topic sentence and see if we can identify the main idea, what you're writing about, and support what you think about the topic. So this is our example. A healthy diet includes fruit and vegetables. So what is the main idea? Yes, that's right. Healthy diet. What about the support? Fruit and vegetables. Very good. What claim is being made here? For a diet to be healthy, it must include fruit and vegetables. Let's look at a bubble map. So, number one, we should ask, what am I writing about? The answer to this question will be your main idea. Number two, ask yourself, what do you know about the main idea? The answer to this question will be your support. And then we're going to create a bubble map, just like this one. Healthy diet, that's your main idea, and your support, fruit and vegetables. So now, write your main idea in your notebooks. Okay, I have something. Okay, this one. King Henry VIII was a better king than George II. Okay, this is what I think. This is my main idea. This will be the topic of your paragraph. Okay, the topic. King Henry VIII was a better king than George II. Yes. So now we have to write one reason that supports the main idea at the end of the line. He established the Church of England. Repeat for additional reasons. Okay, so then, yes, created a chain, a great chain of coastal fortresses. That's right. So now, what is the main idea? Well, the main idea, we said that King Henry VIII was a better king than George II. What are the reasons that support the main idea? Well, we said established the Church of England and created a great chain of coastal fortresses. Okay, those are my support. That's right. Can you write a topic sentence using the main idea and summary of your supports? Yes, of course. King Henry VIII was a far stronger king than George II. Why? Because he demonstrated superior leadership in his decision making. So my main idea is the red one, and the blue is my support. This is the summary of my supports. Now, hints. First, a topic sentence is like a map that tells your reader where your paragraph is going. A topic sentence is a statement made to your reader. A topic sentence has an idea and support. You shouldn't write about something that was not in your topic sentence. If you have a new topic, start a new paragraph. In an essay, all topic sentences support the thesis. So let's practice. Write one topic sentence to the following prompts. What are the benefits or disadvantages of using a cell phone in class? What is the best country in the world and why? Summarize the plot of Cinderella. You may pause the video and give your answers to your teacher. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the lesson by hitting the like button. If you want to share it, please do. If you have any questions about this lesson, write or type your question under the video lesson. Until next time, bye-bye.